What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you are doing well. So, I have a special video that I prepared for you guys today. We took this trade on SPY, which took a total of 4 hours using the Fibonacci to hit our targets. And what I wanted to do was show you a time lapse and talk you through the emotions of how that trade went, how we entered, stop loss, target, the emotions, just show you how real time that plays out. So, if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone and hit me with a one loud and clear. All right. So who do we have? Mike, what's going on, brother? Jay, Anthony, Trading Wars Army. Mike, what's going on? Gus, Isabel, Jay, Keith, Trading Wars Army, Hennock, Candice, Worldwide, Chachanzer, what's going on? Leo, Mike, Keith, good to see you guys. All right. Okay. So let's first of all, let's set up the trade, and then I will show you the replay today with the P&L, and then we can talk about it. Okay. So Sunrise, what's going on? All right. So today we had this price action where let's just read the price action step by step. Okay. So here's our first 5-minute bar. And you guys know with the Fibonacci, what we're doing is we're looking for that first directional move of the day. All right. So here we go. Here's our first push. What direction is this, my friends? So if we look at this here, this is about the first 30 minutes. Is that a bullish or bearish move? All right. SDK, what's going on? So if you look at this, my friends, obviously you could see we went from a low to a high. So what we're going to do right there is we're going to look for the pullback. We're going to say, okay, this was a bullish direction. I'm going to look for the pullback and buy the dip following the trend. Okay. So how do we do that? Well, we use the Fibonacci. So we take our Fibonacci from our low to our high like this. And where we're looking to buy is right on the 618. Okay. So let's go into the Discord and let me just show you guys that. So you could see here at 10:07, SPY full range Fibonacci 618 filled. So we got filled on the trade at 10:07, and this was our call outs here. And then you could see we hit our targets. But let's go ahead and let me just show you that now. All right, so here we go. Boom. All right, so there's a new high right there. So take that, come down. There's our 618 right there. Okay. And what you'll see here, guys, I'm just going to fast forward, is this 618 acts as a level of support through multiple times in the day. 618 and 786, this golden area. And then finally, we make a new high of day where we're looking to take our profits. So let's go ahead and let's go into the video and I will walk you guys through this. I need to find a way to add some music to this. But anyways, let me just try to walk you guys through. Okay. All right. So there's the fill on the trade. You could see right off the bat. You guys can't see because I have my thing on. What's it called? My layaway, whatever it's called. All right. So let me see if you guys can see that now. Boom. All right. There we go. So we got filled on the trade here, guys. You can see started off red. And sometimes you will start off red in a trade. So, and then you could see how we're reacting in the Fibonacci. So the P&L is right there in the bottom right. So what we're doing here, guys, is we have a stop loss. In this particular trade, we use a 0.9 stop loss. You can see that's the dark blue line. And actually what's happening, guys, is we're coming close to hitting that stop loss a few times in this trade. But the whole point of this is just to show you that when you're going through a trade, there's going to be a lot of emotions. And, there's a lot of self-sabotage if you micromanage a trade. So if you were scalping, so I just want to walk you through this. So if you were scalping, you could see here, there's our 618. So we did the scalping lesson the other day. You could already be scaling out profits here. In this particular trade, so you see like, $400, $500, that's not bad, right? If you want to scale. But for this particular trade, what we're trying to do is just get to a new high of day, which will be above the anchor 2, which is 411.84. Because that will give us a 3-to-1 risk reward. And with the 3-to-1 risk reward, we only need to win. I think it's like 25% of the time or 26% of the time. So that's the whole goal. And that's why we're just trying to keep this simple. So we actually walked away from the computer and just let this one go. And this one you could see here, guys, as we approach the high of the day, we are rejecting. And that's common as well, because if you draw the Fibonacci from this high and you bring it down to this low, this area will also be a Fibonacci rejection as well. Okay. So we'll just continue here. All right. So look at that, guys. So all that profit we had almost gone, almost get stopped out here. There's the 90. We're almost about to hit it. And then boom, we turn around. Okay, so that's just trusting that Fibonacci golden zone there, guys. And then just trusting the process. Look at that, guys. So close to getting stopped out right there. Boom. Thought we are gonna get stopped out right there. That algorithm steps in right there. Oof, this is even scaring me right now. Hit me with a 3 if you guys get anxiety watching this. And a good point that I wanted to bring up, thanks Anthony for bringing that up, is this was with futures. So you could see long 24 micro contracts, 41.35. So we used the futures. If we used options on this play, guys, I doubt. Look at that, guys. Ooh, oh my God, so close to stop loss. That's killing me right there. Sometimes it's just better to walk away, let the trade play out. But using options, all of this chop, guys, when we got in back at 10 a.m., this trade doesn't close to like 2 p.m. Okay, so if we were to get options, it's likely that we would have still lost money on this trade, even though it hit the target. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So we had this record button on all day for 4 hours, which is really nice. I really think this is really innovative, and I really want to get this out to people, just showing the real reality of trying to trade for a living. It's a big reality of understanding you're going to go through ups and downs. Okay. So here we go, guys. We're coming into that last leg, looking to see if we can get this push up now. The goal, again, is to make a new high a day, right? That's what we're really trying to do. But look at that golden zone. Do you guys see that box between the 50 to the 786? Do you see how many wicks there are, how many candles there are there, how much protection there is there? That's how you can see the bull algo. And then here we go. There's the squeeze right there. Boom, pushing through, new high of day. Bang, bang, bang. We're out right there. Boom. So you can see P&L close for 1,140. All right, guys. So how did you like that? Hit me with a 1. Did you like that? So if you were doing options, I would definitely be scaling out, right? Don't have the time to just sit in there and let that decay happen. You got to be quick with options. So that was a really nice trade. I'm really excited to share this kind of content with you guys. We're going to keep pushing here. These $1,000 trades, trying to, eventually try to make it 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. Just keep going, man. There's no stopping the grind. It's always ready to rock. Okay. All right. So that's what I wanted to share with you there, guys. And just showing you that power of the Fibonacci. I talked about options versus futures. And then if you wanted to scalp the Fibonacci levels, we actually did the scalping course. So just go here, tradingwars.com resources, and you can click on Day Trading University Lesson 2, Scalping, right here. This is the scalping course we did. And the video on that scalping course did extremely well. Okay, so let me just send that to you guys. The video we did, I want to show you guys the video. So please, if you haven't watched this seminar, it's a part of the Day Trading University. Watch this one right here. Lesson 2, Scalping, Part 1. Very, very good stream. And so if you wanted to just scalp it instead, so you could hit it with options, but I would be taking profits on the way up instead of waiting for that new high of day. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. When you're automating, however, you could see, guys, you could set that trade up and walk away. And it really depends on how personally you take it. For me, you get to a point where you just want to set and forget, right? And that's fine too. So you got to find out what works the best for you. All right, guys, I just wanted to do that. And I wanted to let you know we're still doing the book deal. So this Fibonacci and Options Mastery book, this teaches everything about the fibs that I try to teach you guys. This one is a lot more detailed than what I can explain in the videos, obviously. But right now, as part of the Day Trading University, if you get any one of our 3 books right here, guys, instead of 1 month, which is 30 days, you will get 60 days in the Discord, plus our indicators for life. We've been doing extremely well in the Discord. You can see here, filled, long target hit. We have a great community of dedicated people. So if you want to come join us, feel free to, or you can sign up on the main page right here, my friends. Okay. Right there. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about was just the live stream this Friday. So I'm looking for 4 more people to join the Trading Wars Army. So what you'll see right here under my community, I post exclusive content every day for the members, swing trades and different things like that. You can click the join button, which is right below the video, $4.99. If we can get 4 more people by Friday, I'll do a live stream for you guys and we'll look at live trades. Really just trying to grow the YouTube, guys. And I think this is one of the ways that can help me. So hopefully we can get there. 4 more people. All right. So think about it. And if you get value from it, then think about it, guys. Otherwise, no worries at all. I'm looking for some picks for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and see what we can get. So I like to use Trendspider for my scans. And I have a bunch of picks that I'm ready for tomorrow. One of the ones that are on the top of my list is NVIDIA. NVIDIA, guys, is one of my go-to plays. You could see we have an inside bar right here on, as well as a blue raindrop. So NVIDIA is going to be my number one pick for tomorrow. So let's focus on that one tomorrow. So hopefully we can get a really nice day trade. A few $1,000s would make me extremely happy with NVIDIA. So that's the focus for tomorrow, guys. If you already have Trendspider, you want to get the hookup. You want to get my scans and my indicators. It's free. If you're already with Trendspider, just tell them you want to join the Trading Wars affiliate, or if you want to get it, TWZ 35% off, and you can use your own your own scans. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Anybody have any questions? Let's take some questions about the video, and then we'll wrap it up. Feel free to just leave some questions in there. But just to highlight, guys, this was a 4-hour trade condensed into 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So it was a journey. All right. And we're really lucky with this one because our target was pretty much right around that 0.169. So that's why I have those Fibonacci's on, because they are very they're very accurate for me in terms of pullback and extension. All right, guys. Yeah, mine didn't hit the 270. What's the 270? Are you talking about the 272? Yeah, so we took it right above that. We took it, I think, on the 0.169, not the, because we're using a 90% stop loss in this trade. Yeah. So let's go over to TW Dairy. So we'll show you the broker statements for his. So, yep. You can see that. That's a 3R target. 3 times your money, guys. This is a little bit this is actually a little bit crazy. So 0.618 entry, 90 stop, and the 3R target is kind of scary because it was pretty much the high of the day. And you can see right here. So that one is a good one. All right. I mean, if you look at this, guys, it is extremely tight and extremely choppy. So it looks very difficult to win on this trade, but trust me, guys, with the Fibonacci, you can definitely have an edge. Just takes time and it takes patience. Hey, I want to thank you very much for you guys being here. I really appreciate you, my friends. Thank you for giving me your time. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you really like the Day Trading University series, give me some topics for number 3. When does it make sense to trade futures versus options? Honestly, for me, it makes sense to trade futures all the time because you don't have to worry about overpaying for the premium. Options are really good when you want to go hard on the 0 DTE and you are going for immediate momentum. So like when it touches 618, you got to get out pretty quickly. So if that's the style you want to play, then I would go for that. But if you want to hold for home run targets, a lot of times futures might be better because if we do chop around, you won't get that DK. All right. That's from Phil. Appreciate you, Phil, man. I know you for a long time, brother. So thank you for that question. All right. And then the other question was from this brother here, Vince. Thank you, Vince. All right. That's it. Hit me with a 10 if you guys are excited. Let's continue to make some money for the rest of the week. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I want to hit some big ones going into the end of the week, guys, and really start this. We're going to be midway through the month, and I want to really just turn it around in terms of just making some bigger gains. I really want to hit, because last month I hit a lot of big gains. I want to hit some more big ones this month, so we'll be hunting. All right, guys, thanks so much. Leave a comment. Let me know what's the next topic you want to hear for Day Trading University. Thank you so much, and take care.